Hey there and welcome to your daily rounds dashboard. So what we're going to do in this video is set up your first tasks for your daily rounds. If you haven't already, I'd definitely check out the earlier articles in this knowledge base where we talk about exactly what a round is and how to best use them and how to best set yourself up for success. In this video though, let's just go and set up your first tasks for your rounds. Now, one thing I definitely recommend doing is making sure that your time zone is set correctly. This is really important because your rounds are based on a 24-hour period based on what you set up here. So if your time zone's wrong, then your progress might not be tracked properly. So let's go and set up your time zone. To do that, head over to your settings. And in the settings section, we're going to head over to here where it says time zone. You can choose the time zone that matches your location. Once that's done, hit save settings at the bottom and you can head back over to your today rounds. Now, every time you log into your daily rounds, this is what you're going to see on your dashboard. In order to go and set up your first round, all you've got to simply do is click create your first task. This is going to open up your task builder. In here, you can give your task a title, give it a description to break down what it is you need to do. You can also then include an external link. If you're setting up a task, for example, to check your email or to go onto some sort of social media channel, to interact with some people on there, then what I recommend you do is take the direct link to that page, to your emails, or to whatever it is, and add it into this box here. By doing so, it's going to make it so much easier for you when you come to do this round, because all you have to do is click the button. That will take you directly to that place, and then you can go and complete the task that's set for that particular round. The beauty of this is it stops any other distraction. So, for example, if you're on social media, and you have to log into your social media account and navigate to the group or to the account that you need to, so you can get distracted by everything that's going off on that social media channel. By using a direct link, it takes you straight to it. It's the same for your emails or for anything else that you might want to include on your rounds. Now, below that, you have your assigned SOPs. If you've got some SOPs created already, you can hit the drop-down menu here and select an SOP to add to this task. If you're not sure what an SOP is, then don't worry about it. We're going to talk about this a little bit later in the knowledge base. And down here, you can add some more notes. If you want to add any formatted notes in here, you can do that, which kind of breaks down exactly what it is you're going to do in this round. So this is really just to help you go through a step-by-step process of this is the thing I need to go and complete. Now, once you've added all your details into here, you can choose what active days you want this round to be on. So remember, daily rounds is not a task manager. You don't set a date to go and do something. This is just things that you do every single day or maybe a number of times a week. So down here, you can choose what days you want this particular task to be done. So let's say if this task here was called check your emails, and we can add that into the title. You can add in your description, which is optional, external link directly to your emails if you want to, assign your SOP, putting any details into your notes, and then choose the days you want to check this. In this case, it's probably going to be Monday to Friday. I don't want to check it on the Saturday or Sunday. And then you can click create your task. And what this will do is add it to your task list here, and you can add in as many of these tasks as you like. If you need to edit your task, like I need to do here to change the spelling, I can click on the little edit button here. I can go in here and make the change that I need to make, and I can just click update task, and it will update it over here. Once your task is set up, you can then head back over into your daily rounds, and the tasks that you set up will appear in here. Now, you'll notice at the moment, I've set that task to be on weekdays. Today is actually the weekend, as you can see up here at the top, which means that my task isn't going to show. This is only going to show tasks for that particular day. So if you ever want to change that, you can head over to manage your tasks by clicking this button here, or you can click the tasks in the menu at the side. You can click on this here and you can edit the days. So for this example, we're going to go and update the task. We can see now it's on every day of the week. I'm going to head back to my daily rounds, and we can see inside here we have our tasks that's set up. And you can build out as many different tasks as you like that you need to complete each day of your working week within the task manager.